we are going to discuss about Angel One broking service. So this Angel One is a one big commodity. So they will provide the business of stock market. When you are opening a demat account, so you want some broker to open a demat account. For example, like Angel One, Upstocks, Zerodha, Grow. These are all the brokers. So they are giving you a demat account, right? So what they will earn, they will charge you some money to open your account or to open your to for any transactions that are building. They will be charging some amount, and for the maintenance per year they will be charging. So these are their business prospect. Let us understand the business prospect. And one more thing, I bought it 2 days before, so I was updating in my channel in the community tab. I bought this stock yesterday, 1 day ago, and this I bought with Aditya Birla AMC, and you can see here I bought Angel One yesterday with the price of 1504 rupees. Now the Angel One was trading at, sorry, yeah, now the Angel One was trading at 1624 rupees, right? So it was given quite aggressive approach, so quite aggressive thing. So please try to understand, these are some kind of stocks that they will increase dramatically or decrease dramatically. So if I am posting the if I would post the video, I should do some research now, or it takes time for me to make a video and edit the video and post the video. So because of this particular problem, I will be posting in the community tab what I was buying and I was selling. So yesterday I was bought Avas Finance, Angel One and Symphony, and today also I posted in the same manner. I also explain some of the stock. It is for free, I'm not charging anything for this, but this is only for the reference purpose, how I was building my portfolio, and how many risk stocks, how many safe stocks, how many mid-risk stocks I was building. That's it. That is the only reason why I am posting in the community tab. I'm not a SEBI registered person, please understand. I wrote the disclaimer for this post also, so please understand. I will be not responsible for any financial losses or financial gains for any people from any part of the country. So please understand, I am not a SEBI registered. I was posting this for reference purpose only, for the educational purpose only, how to build a portfolio, how many risk, mid risk and high risk stocks you should be holding. So that's it. I'm not encouraging you to put your money in these type of stocks. I done my research, that's it. Please do your own research, or consult your financial advisor and take your decision accordingly. That's it. And let's jump into the Angel One broking. So 1.5 crores of registered users, or some of the people having 2 or more accounts. Like I was having Angel One, Grow, and also Zerodha, Upstocks. I had 4 accounts. So people may have different accounts, but people should understand that how people which they are using. So Angel One, 1.5 crores of people are using or created or registered in the Angel One, but how many people are using? Let us jump into the PPT and understand that. Okay, they will be showing us. Yeah, here only 44 lakhs, like 15.1 millions, or the people who was registered, like 1.5 crores, and only 44 lakhs of people are using in their client base. So 50% of their people are using the Angel One broking service. Let us understand in this way. It is not 50%, approximately 33%. Yeah, let us understand in this way, in this manner. If I was using, I will be they will be charging me money. If I am not using, they will not charge, or I will be closing my account. That's it. That's how it works, right? When people will buy, first thing is that when papers will write this is a bull market, so Nifty was touching all-time high, this the other good stuff is going on, then only people was more interested or inclined towards the stock market. Then they are going to create some more demat accounts using Angel One or Grow or 5 Paisa or different types of stocks or stock broking services. So first thing is that people will opening their account because of some external pressure or whatever it is. They will be opening some accounts, and people will be getting active when the stock market bull run starts. That's the category, that's the people mindset. When they see something in the newspaper, they will say the Nifty is all-time high now. So that's why people are always come back and they will buy, right? So when they will make profits, Angel One, they will be making profits in the bull run. So first point is that they will be making profits in the bull run, and now it is time for bull run. So how many years it will continue, we don't know. I was expecting 1.5 years or 1 year to 1.5 years this bull run continues, and there may be some correction. Correction is so important that if there is any correction, then the stock market will be, the bull run will be get stronger again and again. So I will be I will be waiting for the correction. I had some money for the correction or falling of market, then I will be buy some more stocks. Today ITBs was fallen, and 1.23, I think somewhere around 1.23 or 25% was fallen in the Nifty, and I was expecting more, about 7 to 8% fall will be good for the bull market. Apart from that, the active users were 44 lakh of people. And how many people had demat accounts? About 10 crore of people has demat accounts. Please understand this, people can have different brokers, but demat account is the demat account will be only one. The demat account will be only one, but they are opened in different type of brokerage service. Like I was opened in Grow, 5paisa, Angel One, etc. But I will be morely using Grow and Upstocks. It mainly depends upon individual, and also I will be using Indie Money for my transaction. There is no promotional video, right? So I was saying about what I am using. I was comfortable with it. My friends are they are doing in the Angel One. It is particularly for individual persons. Take your own chances, try all, and close you which doesn't have. And see here, second maintain rank in incremental NSE clients. So these people, how many people had demat accounts? About 10 crores of people are having demat accounts. About 1.5 crores of people are in the part of Angel One. How much percentage? About 10%. I think the market share of Zerodha was 33%, and this was 10%, and 5paisa somewhere around 3.3%. I will be putting image here. See here, yeah. And now, is it time to grow Angel One? I think maybe they will be growing. They are making good profits. I will be showing you in fundamental analysis. This is their business. So is it going to increase? Is the business going to increase? Absolutely yes. Why? Because people are more inclined towards stock market. Because real estate getting more and more costlier, or more and more expensive. If you want to buy a house in very big town like Hyderabad, in high-tech city, if you want to buy a house, then about 2.5 crores to 5 crores will be the money you are putting in. So that is a huge amount. A middle class person can't afford it. So where they will be buying? They will be buying some plots outside of the city, or they will be buying some equity share. So people, when people are going to study about the equity market, then they will be going to buy equities, right? If they understand, because in India, people are realizing that stock market is not a gambling, it's an approach. That's it. So some people may lose money, some people gain money. Who gain money? Those who done research in all financial aspects, business aspects, and fundamentally good companies. If they are invested in fundamentally good companies, they will never going to lose money, and they will be making money consistently. So this was the first thing. And the second thing is that they had different types of strategies. They are giving me, they had launched smart store, and whatever it is, they are developing their app. I was seeing their app increasing rapidly, very good, and they are increasing their profits, they are increasing their business, they are collaborated with some mutual funds, and a lot of good things are going on in the Angel One. So why I was interested in the Angel One? Please see it. So the business prospect is very good, because Angel One is in a very good financial service, or very good growing market in India. So they will be growing faster. The growth prospect is very good. The equity market in the India is very good in the future, and people will be knowing about equity market when they will realize about how much money is important, or when the people will know to keep retirement funds available, emergency funds available. So they will be investing in the equity market. That's point one. So business prospect is good, and I will be jumping into the fundamentals. The PE ratio was 14.6. Yesterday it was somewhere around 13.5 or 14. I don't know. I just bought yesterday, and it was gone up quite aggressively, about 7% from yesterday. But I was bought it today also, like Angel One. I will be buying it in the SIP modes. Please understand this. I will be not investing in the bulk mode. That's not my That's not my model. I will be following my model in any case. If the market again falls, angel one again falls, I will be buying. If market increases, then also I will be going to buy. So I will be investing in a SIP mode in a very good manner. If the price increasing, if I thought it may go into the overvaluation, then I will be going to sell it. So the market cap was 13,608 crores, and P ratio was small. So this was my intention. Like the P ratio was very small. It was a growing market, and the ROCE. So we should see ROE, because here the ROE is important because it's a financial service. They are giving you, providing you the margin trading facility, so they will be charging in the financial service. So debt to equity, I will be not saying this, because it is a financial service. They will going to borrow some money to give to provide you the margin trading facility. So that's why I will be not seeing the debt to equity, and you should not see the debt to equity when you are considering this, because it is a financial service. They will borrow from money from the other people, other banks or other institutions, and they will be keep giving money for the providing the margin trading for their people. And the promoter sourcing was 38.3. I will be not looking at it. The profit variable is 117% for the last 3 years. Understand this, for the last 3 years 117%. So about 2019 or 2020 it was increased from 117, and the PE, industry PE was 15.1, and quarter sales was 18.4. ROE was good. All things are very good. See here, the growth also increased in a very good manner of 59%, and the profit was increased by 117% from last 3 years. Let us go to last 3 years. So from the last 3 years, in the 2020, in 2020 it was about 359 rupees, or see here, it was grown from here, and from here there is no price change. It was availing at the same price now also, right? So what's the point? From the 2 years, is their profit didn't improve? They improved. Their sales are not improved, they are improved. But why it was trading at the same price? Because people are not buying. So that is where I was concentrating on. The P ratio there is 36.2%. I know it is. I will be availing it at 14.6%. And see here, company has reduced it. Yeah, company has good profit growth of 52.2 CAGR over the last 5 years. So 52.2% of CAGR is not less in any industry. Is it growing industry? It is, or reducing industry? So this is one very good point. The ROE was good. As I said, you should see the only ROE in these financial sectors, and the company has maintaining the healthy dividend. I was not a good promoter, but please understand, it is a like software type of company. They will be not building their expand their services. They can only expand in the hardware systems, like they should buy the database or like that. So they are giving dividend. So I will be okay for taking this dividend, and debtor days are improved. I was not interested in this. And see here, the Angel One was the market leader in the finance and investments. It is a commodity broker or stock broker, I can say. The sales was increasing rapidly. You can see year wise year. From the 2022, it was increased from 2021. See it from 2021, because from 2021, where is 2021? Somewhere here, and it was trading at a same price of 1,637. Now also it was trading at 1,623, about 10 rupees of difference, and it was low now. The operating profit was also increased from 462 crores to 1,294 crores, and also the profit was, and the sales was increased. The operating profit was also increased from 36, 40 and 43%, and EPS is also increasing quite good. All right. The profit before tax, profit after tax, the other incomes I was not interested. The OPM was good, the operating profit was good, and all things looking very nice for this company. And see here, CWIP was 62 crores as of now. I don't know what they put in, but the balance sheet looked nice because their reserves was increasing dramatically from 1,500 crores to 2,000 crores in the last 4 years, and the borrowings was decreased. They should give the financial, but providing the financial service sometimes may good, but most of the times it may good in the profit margin. They had 787 crores. The balance sheet looking very good, and see here, the promoters holding was 38%. It was decreased quite heavily, 38.3%. I will not look into it, because promoters, they will increase, they will decrease according to their needs. If they want money, they will decrease in the promoter. Is there any reason for a decreasing of promoters? Absolutely no, I think. Yeah, from 2022 now they are increased double. So the people of FIS are increasing their percentage. So 16% each they was increased. They bought how many stocks are given by the promoters, and DIS was decreased it there, but fortunately public they has having 35%. And in the big hands, like in the strong hands for the HNIs, how many people are there? 2 to 4 6 9 12 and 18, and total about 20, like 20% of was with HNIs who was a very strong hands, and we are the retail people only having about 15% of angel one broking service. So balance sheet looking like profit and loss statements you have seen. I had explained everything quite nicely, I think. And see here, let us go to here, let us jump into it and see. Today, I think today is the record date for yeah, earnings also looking good, but they sold it. Yeah, quite aggressively. I was bought somewhere here, that's why I was in a very good profits as of now. Yeah, from the last, how many days from the last, from here to here it was same, no price was increased. From 657 it was in a consolidation phase, and it will be increasing. Maybe I think 90% of chances it may increase. I am not a SEBI registered person, that's why I am saying. And how much it may increase, I don't know. I will be keeping this stock for quite a long time, like 2 to 3 years, because it will be growing. It is a mid-risk stock, please understand. If you want in your portfolio, if you want high risk stocks, you can see the 5 paisa in the same industry, but please do your own research. I am not a SEBI registered person. Okay. And yeah, this is the this is about angel one broking. Business prospect is nice. And see here, what is the target? Maybe if you are a short-term investor, if you are a short-term investor, then this is going to be your first target, right? This is going to be somewhere around 30%. I will be keeping this stock for quite more long. I will be expecting about 50% of my profit. If it takes 4 years also, it is fine for me. 3 years also, 2 years also, it is fine for me. And I think maybe it will take less than 1 year or 2 years to get it all time high, and it will be increasing very soon. I think that's it. So please follow my channel, and please see the post what I am buying and why I am buying this. I will be explaining in a lot of videos. And I was bought Aditya Birla AMC. This is a high risk stock, I can say, but I will be doing video later about this stock. And I think you should not see my point of view and keep money for in this stock. So that's it for today. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, share and like.